Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to share a little exercise about curved surface perspective with you. Curved surface perspective is a painting technique that uses the principles of perspective to accurately present objects on a curved surface on a canvas. Compared to regular perspective techniques, curved surface perspective requires higher technical skills and understanding, but it can make the image more three-dimensional and realistic. Curved surface perspective can be applied in various painting fields, such as architecture, landscape, character design, etc. In architecture, curved surface perspective can help draw more realistic building structures, showing the details and materials of the building. In landscape painting, curved surface perspective can display the true three-dimensional sense of natural scenery, making the viewer more immersed in the picture. In character design, curved surface perspective can help depict the curves and three-dimensionality of the character's body, increasing their charm. Although curved surface perspective techniques are relatively advanced, they can be mastered through learning and practice. Mastering the technique of curved surface perspective can make the painting more realistic, vivid, and three-dimensional, adding more artistic value to the artwork. Pikachu? 3 key points for practicing curved surface perspective. 1. Selection of viewpoint. Choosing the correct viewpoint is very important. The selection of viewpoint should take into account the position of the observer and the shape of the target object. 2. Composition of the picture. When composing the picture, the perspective effect and the proportion of the picture should be considered. Objects in the picture should be placed in the correct position according to their location and distance. 3. Outline. The outline is the boundary line of the object in the picture, which needs to be drawn according to the shape and position of the object. By drawing accurate outlines, the three-dimensionality of the object can be enhanced.